Argumentative Essay 6. Migration of people from villages to cities should be encouraged. Argue for or against the topic. Mahatma Gandhi said, "True progress is not measured by the number of people moving to cities, but by the strength and prosperity of our own rural communities." I believe that migration of people from villages to cities should not be encouraged. Due to extensive migration of people from rural areas to cities, urban areas face difficulties. These include overcrowding, lack of housing, and unemployment. Reduction in migration from villages to cities will ensure better governance of metropolitan areas. Another important reason for the discouragement of mass migration is to preserve the rich cultural heritage of rural communities. About 55% of the country's tribal population now resides outside their traditional homes. Many traditions, unique customs, and folklore passed from generation to generation are now being lost due to migration to urban areas. Many cities are fighting an uphill battle to meet their daily requirements of limited resources such as water, electricity, and space. Discouraging migration reduces the strain on natural resources. Rural areas are the backbone of agricultural activities. Mass migration leads to abandonment of farmland. Unemployment in agriculture has decreased from 61 to 49%. For the first time in history of India, a sharp decline in agricultural occupation was first discovered in the past decade. This leads to low productivity. By discouraging migrations, we can maintain sustainable agricultural practices. An impressive biodiversity can be sighted in the villages. Discouraging migrations can protect such marvelous pockets of nature. Besides that, local handicrafts can be boosted if migration is prevented. This will not only uplift tourism but also diversify our country's economy. We should realize that sustainable development begins in our villages. Discouraging migration is a step towards nurturing a future where urban and rural life can flourish.